Legal counsels of Uber and Grab has formally filed their motion for reconsideration before the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board that seeks to temporarily suspend the agency's apprehension order on Colorum Transport Network vehicles. In a meeting held yesterday in Senate, attended by the officials from the LTFRB and representatives of Uber and Grab, they come up with a decision wherein TNCs can file their motion against the LTFRB's order. This is to allow TNVS drivers to temporarily operate even without the provisional authorities and certificates of public convenience.
We assure our partners, our Grab peers, na pwede ho kayong mamasada at mag-pick up ng mga pasahero. Yan na ho ang napagkasundoan yesterday.
Grab first filed their motion before the LTFRB along with paying the 5 million peso fine due to their violations on the terms of accreditation. Meanwhile, in a statement issued by Uber, it says that they are hopeful that LTFRB will respond favorably on their motion. This measure from Uber and Grab has allayed concerns of some TNVS providers.
Maraming salamat at na-file nila yun dahil makakabiyahe ng maayos yung mga katulad namin.
Salamat kasi napagbigyan yung mga ibang wala pang PA na makabiyahe lahat. So ayun, nagpapasalamat kami dahil